Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Sbonelo life remain in peril while the Makwaza receive a much needed gift. They receive that Vika is wake up and it seems like Vika is recovering. Hleziphi remain defeated and Nosipho turns the table on the Shlobos. Shlobos wants their invoice money to Nosipho, and Nosipho remind them about the debt that they owe her. Shlobo wants to beat Hleziphi for taking Gwanda from Nonka, but Hleziphi tell them that Nonka betray her on Gwanda. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.